Pranam Swamiji, today we are discussing on this another important question, which is very common to every one of us. Now the question is, on a given day, mind is agitated and upset, and it is vulnerable to temptation and indiscipline. So, I mean, whatever time we have decided to have our breakfast, lunch, dinner, or we have decided as a matter of discipline that we will not watch TV or TV serial, something like that. So, some sort of discipline we are maintaining. But mind is agitated and upset, and it is vulnerable to temptation and indiscipline. So how to manage, and as a part of discipline, morning, evening meditation also is not possible. So on that given day, how to reconcile the situation, how to manage this situation? Over to you, Swamiji.
Okay. You see, that is quite natural for us and everybody. Every early in the morning, get up and take vow. How to break the vow? Whatever you take the vow, after sometimes you'll find you have broken that. So that is quite natural, and it is a tendency of the human minds. But when mind is agitated, disturbed, problem, that time, how to control it? See, this problem, agitation, upset, everything comes from the mind. Mind, we cannot accept the particular situation. So it is a basically problem for the mind or adjustment of the mind. We are not able to adjust the particular situation. That is the problem of the mind. Agony, distress, tension, stress, everything mind related problem. Even though outside we are happening all the actions, but reaction in the mind. Whatever action we do, reaction comes from the mind. Problem, agitation, the reaction of the mind. So how to reduce the reaction? Then you can control that agitation of the mind, and you have some kind of tranquility of mind or peace of the mind. So main point is how to reduce the reaction of the mind on particular situation and particular action, even in the office, even in the outside, even in the road, any place. So that is the meditation or mental strength is very, very important in this situation to control or to reduce the reaction of the mind. Even though people are not are regular meditating and they have no regulated life, for them immediately they have to change the mental level. Whenever there is a stress, problem, agitation in one plane of the mind. So if you change the plane of the mind, or you can upward the mental level. So in that gross level, you can go and leave the place and see or watch which attracts your mind. Because that time mind, mental power is not that, strength is not there, mental strength, mental power you don't have. So immediately get up and see what attracts you. That means not vulgar. Then again you will be in the trouble. So that diversion of the mind, change of the mental level immediately. Then sometimes 1 hour, half an hour, you forget that particular situation. That may reduce your intensity of the reaction. So long as the reaction is there, you are very much suffer, even if you cannot sleep. So reduce the reaction of the mind to particular incident, particular problems. You can divert your mind by watching, seeing, listening what you like, something good. So that is the, I think, only path left to them to diversion of the mind and reduce the reaction. But those who are a regular meditator meditating, for them it is very easy because through meditation they have the power, so they can control the mind and control the reaction. But ordinary people, most of the people, they don't have the practice of meditation and moral life. So immediately they should change the place and see whatever they like it, change the thoughts, change the mind, because it is a problem of the mind. How to handle mind, how to divert mind, you have to take that path or take that steps so that you can control your agitation. I think it is clear, or anything doubt is there from any other angle, whatever I discussed.
Yeah, yes, Swamiji. Yesterday, in one of our discussion as how to face problems gracefully, you have also highlighted that we should tell that I am not only suffering and others are also suffering. In that way, some agitation level will go down, and other tips you also have given. Yeah.
Yes, one tips also I given that, but only thing at that time whether you will remember or not when you are deeply shocked by the problems or agitated. But another way is that if you see the others people's lives, they are also suffering, we are also suffering. And the don't, if you think that the suffering is only for me, it is given with the God, and God is punishing me, and you think only yourself, only your myself. So this problem and agony, intensity of the agony or problem will increase if you think only it is the problem of yours. But you think that by you see the other people also suffering, even worse than you are still far better position. That kind of thought also help you to reduce the reaction of the mind. That is called distribution of your load. This is the method. As you have seen that in a roof of a building, roof stands on 4 pillars. It is divided by, load is divided by 4, 5 or 6 pillars. Similarly, if you divide by thinking, not only thinking, that is the fact. People are also suffering like anything. And if you think and distribute the load, then intensity of reaction of mind to the particular situation, it will be less. So that is another method of, yes, yesterday I spoke on that. But best thing is leave the place and see or watch whatever you like it. And second method, just try to see the others people's lives. That is why Swami Vivekananda tells expansion of the life. Expansion of the mind. Mind is always busy with mind. And mind, expand your mind so that mind start thinking of others. That is, then the distribution of load will be there. Then you will be little better position. The moment you think the other people's problems, then your problems will negligence. Even you can go stand in a lonely place and watch the sky. The moment you watch the sky, see the sky, stars and other things are there. Universe are so vast. You are insignificant. So if you think you are insignificant, then your stress will be less. So go and see the sky or ocean, sea, and think you are very, very insignificant person. And small things making you big thing by thinking, by your ego, you make it bigger, 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 bigger. But it is nothing but just like a seed, small seeds. If you think stand below the sky and watch the sky, this idea will come. And this help you to reduce your ego, self, and then reaction. Automatically, your reaction will be less. Then problem will be no problem. It will become insignificant in the life. Okay.